Pirates. I wanted to show you how you can check your grades on both Google Classroom and in TeacherEase. Okay, so we know that once we're in Google Classroom, we want to go to classwork to see what work we need to do for the day. But there's a little green button here that says View Your Work, and we can go there. And we want to look for any returned work, and this is where after I grade them, it's going to land in your Google Classroom. So for this account, this is just my student account. It's not really a student, but I just want to use this as an example. So here's a graded assignment. Notice that the grades are on the side, and then I can click on the assignment and see, any that are circled where I might have missed them, or a check mark or a star. And a lot of times there'll be a comment box off to the side where I'll give you some more detail and more feedback. Okay, now you can check, this is like if I grade a paper and hand it back to you, this is where it's gonna land in your Google Classroom. But parents, to check your child's grade, we use TeacherEase. So this is like me handing back a paper that you're gonna get back in the folder at home. But to check the grade, it's like always, you wanna go to TeacherEase and log in using that email address that you gave at registration. And this is where you'll actually check your child's grades. So if you have more than one child, you're going to just change their picture up here at the top. So I have both, Riley and Reagan and my personal, this is my parent account. And just to check grades, you can just click on this red tab, Grades, over here. Okay? Okay, so that's how you can see some more feedback and check your child's work. So just a reminder, go to Google Classroom. You're going to go to Classwork, View Your Work, Returned, and that's going to show you your grades. Thanks so much, guys. If you have any questions, send me a message.